Hello, how are we all doing? We are going to be doing some needle felting today. I've picked out 3 colors. I'll be using these 3. I already kind of know what I'm going to try to make. Now the thing about this is that this is obviously a beginner's kit. I've never done this before, so let's go through everything. But we don't have a whole lot of wool here. Words just aren't coming today, so we can't do anything very big, but that's fine. I want to take a look at these needles. Okay, they're pretty delicate. I know there are different gauges. I have looked at one tutorial, and that tutorial told me that there are different gauges. It did not, however, tell me what the hell this thing is, because it's not a regular needle like those. It's very smooth, it's very enormous. It's still pretty sharp. I don't know what that is. I kind of feel like for what I'm going to be doing, I probably want like a really small little delicate one. So I'm going to try to make something very small. And I apologize if I'm a little bit squeaky today. I've been sick all weekend, and now I wake up and I'm losing my voice. Kind of started going yesterday. So there we go. It's actually quite a bit of blue. So I don't know how much I want though. I think I'm going to use just like a little bit. Not a lot of it. Like about half of it. There we go. And I know that what you're supposed to do is like try to shape it a little bit. So about like that. Maybe? Yeah, sure. Let's say that's good. About like that. And we just kind of stab the shit out of it. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I can't tell if it's working. I'm smacking the microphone. It's making little holes. I can see the little holes. And like, apparently, magically, somehow this turns into something cute. It is kind of starting to hold on to its shape, so I'm doing something right. So I've looked at exactly one tutorial for this, and hers wasn't full of holes. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Mine seems like it's full of holes. Okay. It's starting to get kind of firm. Kind of interesting. This is going to sound really weird. It's almost a bit like using or working with clay. I've worked with clay a lot in the past, and one method I really liked was actually using a palette knife for painting. Okay, she said to do this and just kind of help it along. I haven't been doing that. I forgot to do that. Okay. So it's a little too tall, I think. So probably could have been a little shorter. So let's clean it up a bit. Kind of stab that in there. We'll work with this and go forward from there. Stab, stab. Yeah, this is weirdly a lot like using clay. The needle is kind of shaping the thing for me, so I don't have to do a whole lot of work. So there we go. It's kind of at a point now. And I'll just clean that up a bit. So, right there. Yeah, I think I'm getting this. That's, yeah, not as difficult as I thought it would be. I kind of expected this stream to be a confused screaming disaster, but it's going pretty well, actually. So far, we've got this. And it's still too tall. But I might be able to make that work. However, I need to save as much of this blue as possible because I've still got his fins and stuff to do. Well, you know, he kind of almost stands up on his own. So, now we're going to take a little bit of the white. And I believe what we do. Now, the tutorial that I watched before doing the stream didn't cover this bit. It was just a very basic, you know, don't kill yourself while doing this tutorial. I'm pretty sure we want to do something like this. We're going to start with right here. Stab, 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 stab. Okay. I think what I want to do is this. It is crazy how similar this is to just working with clay, though. This is ridiculously similar, which I was not expecting at all. Okay, let's make a little fin. So we'll put his body over there. Now we'll make the fin about right there. I have no idea how I'm going to attach this, but hey, it's a learning experience, right? Yeah, it's almost the shape that I want. Not quite though, like, I'm trying to clean up this edge, but every time I clean up the edge, it changes the shape, and I don't want it to do that. Okay. Your fan goes like right here. I have no idea how to do this part, so this will be fun. No, it's kind of starting to do that, is it? Yeah, no, it's actually got a pretty good hold on there. It just doesn't look very good. Okay. I think that's how I want it to look. Do you stand up on your own? Not anymore. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I need to do his eyes and his gills before I can do anything else, I think. There we go. Now they're about the same size. I think I'm going to do it this way, where I attach the eyes and then put everything else on. So I want them like right there. He's got eyes. about right there. Fold that over a little bit. Okay. They're just about the same. They're a little bit different, but I can live with that. Now there we go. Yeah, I don't think it matters that I couldn't get the white underneath that fin. I made a little shark. It's Sharky. It's Ben. Hashtag Ben Fan Club. But yeah, there we go. Almost used up all my glue. That's all I had left, so he had to be super small. But he's got his little fins. I'll probably take and clean him up a little bit, but there he is. He's super fun. This took me 2 hours. I think that was pretty good use of 2 hours, but my back is killing me. I am going to go probably go take a bath, maybe go to bed. But this was super fun. I made a bed. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take off. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.